Welcome to the Micron Educator Hub tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through using the modules from the K-12 STEM category, designed to help teachers integrate STEM lessons into their classrooms. First, from the homepage at micron.com/educator hub, locate the K-12 STEM category filter on the left. Here, you'll find a growing number of educational modules, including the cookie wafer fabrication module, which we will be using as an example. Click on the tile to explore the resources available for the module of interest. Once you are in the module page, take a moment to read the module summary at the top to get the highlights. Again, using the cookie wafer fabrication module as an example, note that it includes several resources for the educator. In this case, we have an activity guide, a presentation, and a handout. Let's go through these in more detail to see how they can be used in your lessons. First, we have the activity guide. This 15-page PDF document contains the lesson plan, and it's a key resource for the educator. Let's download the activity guide to explore in more detail. The guide provides recommendations for grade level, time, etc., followed by objectives and lesson alignment to standards. It also provides a handy material list to implement the activities, which are designed to be interactive and engaging. In the process section, we make recommendations for how to use the other resources in the module. In this example, it reads, as you walk students through the simulation of the wafer fabrication process, you can utilize the following resources: the cookie wafer fabrication presentation and the cookie wafer fabrication handout. The presentation and handout mentioned here are the other resources you can download. The rest of the guide can be used by the educator to review the lesson and the science behind the activity. In some cases, there may be some printables in this guide as well. Let's scroll together to the end of the activity guide. Next, the presentation document offers a presentation that can be shown to the students to support the lesson. In this example, this 28-page PDF can be used throughout the activity to introduce and explain key concepts. It's a great starting point for your lesson, and can be used as a visual aid alongside the activities. Let's take a look. Here is an example of a class presentation. As you can see, this presents the concepts from the activity guide in a fun and engaging way. Let's scroll together through this presentation to get a better understanding of the presentations that can be found in the Micron Educator Hub. Here we also have a handout, which in this example is a PDF that summarizes key points about wafer fabrication. It's perfect for quick reference and can be distributed to students for review. Finally, it's important to follow copyright and citation guidelines when using the content from the Micron Educator Hub. This content is intended for educational purposes, so please use it as provided without altering slides or republishing it for commercial gain. The guidelines are published in every document and may also be found as a standalone document in the module for your convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you find these resources useful for enhancing your lessons and engaging your students. Don't forget to visit us often for new content and updates.